So I know that a lot of us have gone through this. Looking for a visa appointment date at VFS is crazy. Sometimes we wake up in the middle of the night and after 2 refreshes, you are logged out of their website. And I know exactly how frustrating this could be. Sometimes third-party agencies too will be charging as high as £300, £200, £500 for 2 people and so much more. But that is when I discovered an app that monitors all the visa appointment in the Schengen area, and they're going to send you live updates. So in case a date is available at 9 o'clock, you get an email that will prompt you, hey, log on to the app and book your appointment. And they even have a service that will automatically book the date for you without you even going on the app at all. That is what we are coming to explore today. Now, if you've watched the previous video on how to fill your Schengen application form, then you are probably at this stage where you have to book a date. Now, enough of the talk. Let's dive into the video. Alright, so the first thing that we will do is to go onto our Play Store or App Store and download this app. So let's go to Play Store and search for VisaBot. So that's the name of the app, VisaBot. So this is how it looks like, and let me update mine. And this app saved me a lot of pounds when I wanted to get a date for Portugal especially, and I was finding it difficult because in the month of summer getting a date in Portugal and most of the European countries is so difficult. Now here is the app. This is how it looks like. So depending on where you live, you choose your country. So if you are in UK, you're going to choose UK. If you are in Ghana, you're going to choose Ghana. If you are in Nigeria, you're going to select Nigeria. But let's start with UK first. So when you click on UK, it's going to show you all the available centers for your Schengen visa appointment. So depending on which one is closest to you, you are going to select that one. All right, so I'm going to select London. And when you select London, this is how it's going to show on your screen. Now if you look on the countries in there, you see some color coding on the right hand side. Now let's start with Lithuania. If you look at Lithuania, the first one says appointment 2 days approximately. So it means that you can get appointment dates within 2 days approximately, and the demand is medium. So if you look at Iceland, it's all in green. This means demand is low. And if you look at Portugal especially, the demand is very high and you can be looking at 9 days before you can get appointment. So that is how it shows, and they give you estimate of all of these things. Now if you decide on the country, let's go with Portugal because I use Portugal. Now after choosing the country, you decide on the visa type that you want to go in for. So let's say we are going for the tourist visa, and here you have 2 options. There is a first option which is the auto booking, and here is the fastest and the most convenient way to get your visa appointment, because immediately there are available slots, the system will automatically book your slot for you. They're going to book your appointment for you without you coming to the app again. And I feel that it's okay, and it's £100, but I don't have £100 to spend. So I decided to go for the option that will prompt me that there are appointment bookings and you have to go and book your appointment right now. And that is the second one, which is £35. So you click on it, then you put in your email address, then you continue with the email notification. So anytime there are appointments, you're going to get notified to book your appointment. This is super easy. This avoid the delays. This avoided you refreshing and being kicking out. This avoid third-party agencies that are going to charge you a lot of money. Now let's go to the email that I was getting when I first registered with them. So I registered with them on 7th of April 2026. Now after registering with them, on the second day I started receiving notifications. So they will text you that there are available dates in your email. So if you look on this one, it says earliest slot for Portugal, category business visa, visa center is London, and they will put the date in there, and they will ask you to click on this link to book an appointment. So if you click on this link, it will take you to the VFS website, and you are going to log in and book your appointment. And as soon as those slots finish, they are going to send you an email that, hey boss man, you were either late, or if you were successful, they are going to send you a message that there are no slots available after you've received the earlier emails that there are slots. So after the slot finish, they're going to prompt you as well. So I kept getting this even after I booked my appointment. They kept sending me dates. So that was 8th April. They sent me again on 11th April. They sent me on 15th April. 15th April, I got 2 emails that there are dates, and I also got another date on 16th. I got on 19th. I kept getting on 20th. I got it on 21st. I got it on 23rd. So they kept sending me emails that slots were available even after I've gotten my appointment. And every week they are going to send you a data of how the appointment slot look like. So let me show you on the screen here. So every week they are going to send you a summary of how the appointment is going to look like. So if you check on the first country, Austria, they release appointment date on the 12th of March. So if you look up there, you see nine slots were available on the 12th of March, and that is shown in deep blue. And let's look at other countries. Let's look at Portugal, because I was looking at dates in Portugal. Now if you look at Portugal, it was 0000, and they released 6 dates on the 10th of March. So even their summary gives you an idea of when to expect date. And some of the countries, they are very routine. Now if you look on Portugal, the dates were coming on Fridays and Thursdays. It came on 10th, and let's see again the next time it came, and it came again on 11th and 12th. But if you study the pattern, you can get a clear idea. And if you look at Netherlands, it's crazy because Netherlands were issuing 1 slot per day. If you don't have an app that is going to prompt you like this, you are always going to delay your process. So guys, in order to avoid spending a lot of money for agents to book appointment for you, you can use this website. And depending on which country that you live, whether you live in UK, Ireland, Turkey, Morocco, Saudi, Ghana, Nigeria, Australia, Egypt, Russia, Uzbekistan, Angola, there are a lot of countries in there. And recently I spoke to their rep, and she told me that they will be adding more countries to the list. So wherever country that you live in, if you want to book your VFS appointment, use this app, because some of the dates are far in advance. And if you are looking to travel for a conference and you need an earlier date, then you need this app to help you secure the slot that you are looking for. My name is Manuel. I hope that this video will help you in your visa application process. Now in the next video, we'll be talking about the documents that you need for your VFS application to be successful, and this video will be showing at the lower right corner. My name is Manuel. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.